Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday. It's Thursday, February the 10th, 2022. Still having troubles with my voice. Cannot talk too loud. And I'm also in the library. In this additional, we have 9 extra puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, killer Sudoku, binary puzzle, and another one. Those puzzles, not interested. So, 5 puzzles. I will do 5 out of 9. If I do them all, it's too much for me, time consuming. So only 5. I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a killer Sudoku for today. First one, the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 4106. Yes, 4106. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need, that's my time limit, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 ones we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. We have here 2 3s, 2 4s. We have here 2 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4 6s. No 7s. 8s. We have 3. And 9s, we have also 3 times a 9. So let me start with the 2 or with the 6. Let me scan. Yeah. Well, let me start with the 2. The 6 will be difficult. I see. Oh, we have also 4 8s. All right. 2 8 6. Okay. The 2. Let me see. Let me see for the 2. Well, with the 2, it will be also difficult to start. Well. We have a pair. 1 and a 2 in this column. 1 and a 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Leave there are a lot of pairs. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row, 1 and a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. Okay, now I can do something with the 2, I believe. Yeah, 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. Thinking. Nine. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 9 in this row. 9 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. In this big square, we see here 5 in this column. No 5 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes, 7 and 4. That means in this column we have 1 box left for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Okay. Alright. And we have a pair. 3 and a 5 in this column. 3 and a 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 it goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4, and should be there. Alright. In this row, the second row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes and there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 4, 4. 6, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Okay. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, here 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Alright. 5. Yeah. Thinking. Do I have all the 2s? No. Alright. We have a 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 2. Should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 1. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Okay. Alright. 1. Yeah. 3 and 4. 2 numbers left. In this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. Alright. 1, 5, 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Then yeah. 5, 7, 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Okay. 9. 9. 9. 4. We have now 2 numbers left. Wait, 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 it goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Then now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, sorry, the third row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, and this box should be 6. 6 in this third column, 6 in this first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the first column. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay. 2 boxes left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. You have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it yourself and by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, these boxes I'm interested analyzing for almost 3 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. And here we have 287, 287, 948, 948, 364, 364. Here we have the 8 is a pair and the 4 is a pair. 2 pairs. Yeah. Alright. 2 pairs. Thank you. And see you later. Bye bye for now.